Now we are proceeding to our next Kali Linux applications, and we are proceeding to our web application analysis tools. You know, web application analysis tools are used to scan websites like PHP, Java, .NET, Ruby on Rails, or etc. If you have a website and if you want to scan or do a pen testing on the website, then you have to use the Kali Linux tools, the web application analysis tools of Kali Linux, in which you can see there are bunches of tools available on Kali Linux, in which Burp Suite is the most important tool available here. The Burp, if you don't know what is Burp Suite, I should tell you that Burp Suite is a web application analysis tools. It is one of the best tools available in the world, which you can use to scan or do a pen testing of web application or websites. If you click here on Burp Suite, now it will open up in my Kali Linux operating system. As you can see, this is a Burp Suite free edition available. So it means there will be some features which are off or which are not available in your free versions. Now you can click on next and click on start Burp. So your Burp Suite is starting here. If you download it from Burp Suite website, or if you are using Kali Linux, it has some less features regarding the paid Burp Suite, right? Like in scanner you don't have any active scan process, but in paid Burp Suite you have the active scan process. So the main motto is to find a project or find a website which you can search or which you can use to scan in Burp Suite. But I think this Burp Suite is not good for us because it doesn't contain all the features available in the paid Burp Suite. So in the associate PDF of the module, you can watch there that there is a link in the PDF, and if you go on that link you will find this Burp Suite software, and it is a cracked Burp Suite software available for you. So I don't want to use this one, so I'm going to exit this and I'm proceeding to our Windows operating system. Here you can see this is a Burp Suite, right? Click here and click here, and you can see there is a jar means Java executable files of Burp Suite. So I click here. It is saying that the GRA appears to be version this from Oracle. Burp has not been fully tested on this platform and you may experience problems. It's okay, it is just a warning, so ignore it. The program cannot be used for commercial purposes. Yes, we are not using it in commercial purposes, so click on I accept. And now you can see that Burp Suite is opened, and if you click here on the scanner, you can see there is an option of live scanning, but in the Kali Linux version or in the free trials you won't find any live scanning process there. So it is a cracked version of Burp Suite, right? And now you can use this one. So you can download this Burp Suite, as I mentioned the link in my PDF also, associate with Burp Suite video, right? So this is a Burp Suite professional tool which is used to scan a website or a web application. Now you can see that there are so many menus items are available in Burp Suite. Okay. Like if you click on Proxy, then it is showing that intercept is on. Intercept is on means it works with the browsers, your Google Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer, right? So whatever you search in Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, it will intercept it, and initially you should click it off. Means your intercept should be off. We will click on button of intercept later, but initially it should be off. So I'm giving an explanation that how you can configure or how you can modify your Burp Suite Professional. In history, you will find the search, whatever you are searching in your browser or whatever you are testing in your browser. In options, you can see here that it works on the local host 127.0.0.1 and it is using the port number 8080. 8080 is the default port number for Burp Suites, right? And later here you can see intercept server responses, the response modifications, the match and replace, SSL path through, miscellaneous and all. So you can tick on the options available here. If you want to add any target or if you want to scan any target, then you have to click on the add button, right? So you can enter your identity there. So this is all about the proxy. Now click on spider. Now you can see that use these settings to monitor and control Burp Spider. Burp Spider means if you want to scan a website or if you want to know the all links or all pages available in the website, then Burp Suite can also show you that how many pages the website contains and what type of content they are using in their website. So it is still spider is paused, but if you click on spider will run it. Initially keep it off. In options you can see that they have some crawler settings available like passive spidering, form submissions, right, application logins, spider engines and all. So these are the default and don't make any changes in this. This is fine in spider. And if you click on scanner, then you can see there are two types of scanning available here, right? The one is live active scanning and the second one is live passive scanning. So let's learn what are the two scannings. So first is live active scanning. You can see here, so it'll automatically scan the following target as you browse. Active scan check, so automatically scan the following target as you browse. Active scan checks and various malicious requests designed to others. So if you want to click in, then click on the use suite scope, define the target, where whatever we give the target to the Burp Suite, it should scan the active scanning process on that target. And in live passive scan, passive means it will only monitor your traffic for the evidence of vulnerabilities, right? So if it is live passive scanning, then you can click on scan everything. Yeah, that is fine because passive scanning is necessary but active scanning is not necessary, right? So you can use don't scan button or use suite scope if you want to really do active scanning. So initially it was don't scan, but I don't want to click. I want to scan the website actively, so I am clicking on use suite scope, which is defined in the this is the scan queue. There will be result available. These are the options available, like what type of parameters we will use, that URL to body, cookies, insertion points and all. You can see active search. Now you can active scanning engine. Now we are proceeding to active scanning engine. So they are saying these settings control the engine used to making HTTP request when doing active scanning. So number of threads are 10. Threads means number of processes concurrently working is 10. Number of retrieves on network failure is 3. Paused before relay 2000 and throttle between requests. So you have to click on that and make it 100, right? And now in active scanning optimization, it should be normal. It should not be fast or it should not be slow. It should be normal, right? In active scanning, just click on all the tick marks, and it is, if you know that these, if you are using SQL Injection, if you know that it is they are using the MySQL specific test, So don't click on the other, like I can untick the Oracle because I know that the website I am testing is using MySQL server, so why should I use the Oracle server, right? So I don't want to waste my time in scanning. So you can click here and MSQL or MySQL fine, boolean condition 10, untick it, time relay test, untick it, error based is fine. In passive scanning areas, if I know that they are not using ASP.NET, so you can untick it. Yes, they are not using ASP, it is a PHP website, though they are not using ASP.NET. So why should I waste my time in scanning? Yeah, I have done it 100 milliseconds. Right, this is two types of scanning, live active scanning and live passive scanning available here. Scan queue, and these are the results. Now you can see in the intruder part, now you can see the intruder part will tell you about the links they are finding from the website or the web applications. Like you can see here that they are finding the subcat.php available in the website. So whenever you search or whenever you find vulnerabilities using Burp Suite, you should browse the intruder area where you can find the broken links of web applications, because these are the broken links you can use to hack a website database. These are the payloads. Payloads means the code, exploit code available in the exploit. And these are the payloads available, right? The repeaters are the same, like it will also tell you the request regarding the websites. These are the sequencer, the number of threads, milliseconds, you can also set it to 100. The request, the decoders are available here, right? If you want to decode something in plain text, URL, HTML, base64, ASCII, hex, octal, binary, gzip, etc., you can do this. If you want to encode it, then you can also do this. If you want to hash, these are the hash algorithms available in Burp Suite. So SHA, MD2, MD5 are available here. You can smartly use these. These are the compare. Compare means if you want to compare the two results of Burp Suite, then you can do this by using our comparer tab available in the Burp Suite. Then here you can see the extensions. What are the extensions let you customize, as you can see here, Burp's behavior using your own or third-party code. So they will tell you that how you are going to the process. Are you going right in the right way or in a wrong way? So the extender will tell you. These are some other options. Like if you want to use some proxy servers, then you can use them in Burp Suite. SOX proxy, timeouts, hostname resolutions, and all, right? And these are the alerts. If you have any alert from that website, then you will find out the number of alerts here, right? So these are the target scope. If you want to search any website or any target, you have to copy it from the URL area in your browser and click on the paste, and it will directly paste it into your target scope. Then you have to tick mark on that, and you can click on the scanner process to learn about the web application vulnerabilities available, right? So I hope you have learned how you can configure your Burp Suite so that you can start the scanning process of the Burp Suite, right? So this is all about the Burp Suite professional configuration, that how you will achieve the best results using different configuration in Burp Suite. In next video, we will take a target, or we will take a website, and we will try to scan it by using Burp Suite, right? Then you will clearly see that how you can do pen testing using Burp Suite. As I already said, Burp Suite is the best tool available in the world, which is used to work with web applications. And if you are not familiar with Burp Suite, then you can learn step-by-step Burp Suite professional videos in my course. And I hope you have done with this in this video, and in next video we will learn some more targets to scan using the Burp Suite Professional. If you haven't downloaded Burp Suite Professional, go to my link in my PDF and download it from internet and get the folder like this, and then click on the first one, right? So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and in next video we will take a target to scan using Burp Suite. In previous video we have learned how you can configure Burp Suite so that you can use the Burp Suite to do a VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing using the Burp Suite tools and techniques. As you can see, when we have visited the menus of Burp Suite, the main are proxy, spider, scanner, intruder, repeaters are important, right? So we have configured that use suite scope in live scanning and scan everything in the passive mode, and some requests also in proxy. Intercept should be off initially, and after that we will do it on in the next part. So first of all, we have to configure, we have to change our proxy settings of our browsers. So I'm going to my browser, first of all, the Mozilla Firefox, and I want to change the proxy settings of Mozilla Firefox. Let's go here, click on options. Here you can see in the left side the content bar, then you have to click on the advanced, then you can see the menus, then you have to click on network and then click on the settings. Then you can see it is using the system proxy settings in connection settings, right? So yeah, it is fine for internet processes, but it is not fine for the Burp Suite configuration. For Burp Suite configuration, the system should run on its localhost 127.0.0.1, and it should use the port number as configured in the Burp Suite. Like if we click on here in the target, then yeah, you can see here that it is working on the port number 8080. So your browser should be also work on the port number 8080 so that they can work simultaneously with the browser. So now you have to click on the manual proxy settings, and you can see that if you don't have any IP address, then you click on here and type 127.0.0.1, and if you don't have any port number, then click on type 8080. That is fine. use this proxy for all protocols, fine. And if you have anything right here, then remove it. If you have anything localhost or something, then remove it here. And then click on OK. Okay, fine. That is fine. Then just cross it, the other bars, right? And click on the URL area here and type ping .com. Enter it. Yes, bing.com is now open, right? And type our target. So my target is Bible history, or should I change my target? Let's use the another one. Let's again open bing.com and go here, search Google. Otherwise you can also type here vulnweb.com. Go to this target, click on the website and open this one. So this will be your target. Copy this, right? So this is your target. This website is your target. You have to find the vulnerabilities in this website. The testing of this website is legal, as this website is created by Aharoni, and Aharoni has given our rights that you can test my website for security purposes or for the tutorials. So I can use this website legally. Don't try to scan a website which is not yours, or which is not, or which you cannot test, right? So it's your responsibility that you don't have to test any other websites. I'm giving you websites, test them only. So copy this link and go to your Burp Suite, go to your target, and you can see that if you want to, I have told you in the previous video that if you want to add a target, then you have to click on target menu, then the sub panel is sitemap and scope, then click on scope. Then you can see there's a website, so I'm click on untick and I want to remove it. So it has been removed. Now I want to add a new target in my target scope, so I'm clicking on the add button. Otherwise you can also click on paste URL. It will automatically paste the URL here. Yeah, as you can see here that it automatically my URL has been here. It is HTTP. Yes, it is HTTP. I have tick on that. I don't want to use any other exclude from scope. It is fine, right? And now you are here at your let's go to your proxy. This is your history, that what you have done with the Mozilla Firefox. So it is also telling you that you have searched some bing.com in your browser. The spider is closed, scanner is the intruder, the repeater, the proxy settings, images, options, intercept. So intercept is off actually. So I'm clicking on intercept is on. Now it is necessary to click on intercept, right? Now go to your website again, and when you resubmit it, when you double click it, this will create some light, right? So look at here. I'm double clicking on here. You can see that it is showing that something has entered when you have refreshed your browser. Yes, so you can see that in proxy and in intercept, when it is on, so it is finding something that you are using or you are searching vulnerabilities in this website, right? This is the website. Yes, this is the website. The same URL here. Intercept is on. This is the headers of the web applications. This is the hex coding of the web applications. So you can see here that the web application we have searched in our Mozilla Firefox is same in the Burp Suite. This is your target. You have include your target here. This is your sitemap. This is your proxy. If you click on Spider, then Spider will also run and find some important information. Now you can see it is increasing and increasing. I want to ignore this one. Ignore. Click on scanner. Scan queue, live scanning options are available here. So you can see here, if you click, it is finding some useful information about the website. That email addresses is found. So if you click here, that this email address associated with that website has been found here. You can see here this area. So this area will tell you that how you can use the email addresses found in the website. There is a potential clickjacking is also available in the website. It is intercepting the history. Then you can take an action. So I'm clicking on action and I want to do an active scan here. So you can see that scanner tab is also yellow here. So I'm clicking on here, and this is one that it is searching. The red color one is for basically high vulnerability available in the website, and it is finding some more vulnerabilities here. So you have to wait here for some time, 10 to 15 minutes, and it will tell you. And if you click on scan queue, then it is finding that there are 3 issues here, and in which all 3 are high vulnerabilities in the website. This is the beauty of the Burp Suite Professional. These are the issues. These are the sitemap available. You can also directly click here, right click here, do an active scan. You can also do this. Otherwise, you can also go from here, click on active and do an active scan. Right. So it is finding the information available in the website. You don't have to use the intruder, repeater, or sequencer, or decoder, or comparer. These 3 or 4 steps are important in the Burp Suite, and they will all do information regarding the target. You can see here that whatever we have searched in our Bing.com, it is also here. That you were searching this website in the Bing. Yes, I have searched this website in Bing. My scanner is on. they are finding vulnerabilities in the system, right? So that's how you can use the Burp Suite Professional to scan a website, and it will take some time to scan that website completely, but after some time it will give you some more results regarding a website. There are so many students on internet who are saying that please tell us the how you can use the Burp Suite, because Burp Suite is really necessary in the industrial projects or industrial areas or in companies. So that's why I've created the tutorial for you guys to learn about the Burp Suite and how you can use the Burp Suite, the basic terms, the basic terminologies, the basic steps of Burp Suite to find vulnerabilities in a website. How you can set up a Burp Suite to find the vulnerabilities in the website, and how you can use the Burp Suite professionally. Now you are doing this, then you can also save the state. If you want to save this state, then you can also save this one. Where you want to save it? I want to save it on documents, type Burp Suite and save it. It will save your scan or your states of Burp Suite. Different types of attacks are here. The same attack but different tabs. This was the website you are searching. It has issued some requests. So these are all about the Burp Suite Professional, that how you can use and set. In previous video we have learned that how you can use the Burp Suite Professional to find vulnerabilities in a website. Now we are proceeding to our next tool in web application analysis, which is Skipfish. So Skipfish is a tool which you can use to create a report regarding web application vulnerabilities. It will find out the vulnerabilities available in the website, and it will give you a proper report so that you can give the report to your client to impress him, right? So this click on applications, click on web application analysis, and you can go on Skipfish. Here we go. So let's clear it first of all. Now if you don't know how you can use Skipfish, then type Skipfish space dash h. Now you can see these are the all commands related to Skipfish. From here you can see that these all commands are. Skipfish is a web application scanner, and if you don't know what Skipfish, then you can go another web, then type man Skipfish. Yeah, here you can see that Skipfish is a web vulnerability security scanner or web application security scanner, and the command is Skipfish, the output -o, the output directory you should mention here, and the target name. That's it. In description you can see that Skipfish is an active web application security reconnaissance tool. It prepares an interactive sitemap for the targeted site by carrying out a recursive crawl and directory-based props. The resulting map is then annotated with the output, means it will also create a report for you. The final report, you can see the final report generated by the tool is meant to serve as a foundation for professional web application security assessment. So the report created by Skipfish is a really useful and a professional one report. This is the command of Skipfish, that how you can use Skipfish to scan a website. Right, so first of all we should try it, that how you can use Skipfish. Now these are the options available here. These all are options available here that you can use one by one, these options. It is your task to do it, right? So let's do it, at how you can use it. First of all, let's clear it, the stuffs. Type clear, and now let's find out. So type Skipfish, and then you have to type the output where the result will be saved, -o. I want to save the results in my result or /root/Skipfish, right? That's fine. And then type the target, the website or IP address. So here I'm typing www.biblehistory.com. This is, so if you don't know how you can use this, type Skipfish, the tool name. -o means the output directory. The output directory is this, and this is the target name. So enter. What it is saying, that scan target is not a valid absolute URL. Okay, so you have to again click on upper key and make it http:// enter. So you can see this is the Skipfish, and these are some useful tips. If you want to abort this test, then you have to click on Ctrl+C. The partial report will be returned to the specified location, and to view a list of currently scanned URLs, you can press space at any time. Okay. Second, the what's the number request per second shown on the main screen. Third, the scanner does not auto-limit the scope of the scan. And the fourth, there are several new releases. If you run into trouble, check the newer version. It's okay. And the last, it is saying that if you want to get the more info about Skipfish, then you can go to this code, this website, right? And now it is saying the press any key to continue or wait for 60. I don't want to wait for 60 seconds, so I'm pressing my enter key here. Now you can see that it is increasing, and it is finding the information regarding the target, which is www.bible_history.com. It is finding the faults, vulnerabilities available in the database, and will finish it and create a report for us. Right, so you can see this is the scan time, that the time related to scan, that how much time have completed. It is saying the 1 minute 40 seconds. These are the HTTP requests that has been sent from my system. These are the compressions, the HTTP faults. It doesn't contain any fault, but it is finding the handshakes. The request pendings is this. This is the database statistics, that in database they have also sending you so many requests to the database to achieve result. For the biblehistory.com, the target is this, right? So Skipfish is also a web vulnerability scanner. It is very simple to use. Just replace target and type your website name to scan the website related to the vulnerabilities. So if you don't have time now, so you can press the Control C to abort the screen. So click on Control C. So what it is saying, if when you type Control C, it will save your data. It will write scan description, the crawl tree, generating some reviews, and the reports has been saved to this directory. So when you do Control C, your report of scanning will be saved to this space or this directory of your Kali Linux operating system. Yes, was a great day for science. It was, right? So first of all, we will check out that how is our vulnerability report. So /root/skipfish and /index.html. So let's go in our root folder, click on places and click on the home folder. And here you will see a Skipfish folder. Here you go. This is the Skipfish folder available, or we have created in our video. So click here, and here you can see there are so many types of folders are available. So you can check out all of them because they have the data related to our website. Here you can see. It means that software has scanned my target. If you click here, then you can see the report related to the Skipfish. It has scrolled this web URL, right? And you can see the external content embedded, the conflicting MIME, net server, the document type, and all. Document type overview, click to expand. Like if you, I don't know, it has found some 5 JPGs available. Right? If I click here, yes, it is in the here, yeah. If I click here, yes. So it has just stored the data into the website. If you click on here, the text HTML, I click on the first one, so we will see the text related to the website is here. The comments, some other links are available in our report. So this type of report is really good or really necessary for you to show your work to the client. Like your website has so many contents or so many data available on internet, so kindly remove it, that you can give a suggestion to the computers or the other IT company. So this is all about the Skipfish. In previous video, we have learned about some vulnerability analysis tools to find some different type of critical vulnerabilities in web applications. Now we are focusing on a single type of area, which is the WordPress websites. If you don't know what is WordPress, WordPress is an organization or a website where you can create your free website, right? So nowadays WordPress is using by many developers, and there are so many websites which they are creating on WordPress for the clients. So WordPress is basically a organization, and it gives you the access to a domain in free, right? So if somebody has a WordPress website, and if he comes to you to test his website, then you can use the Kali Linux to scan the WordPress website. How will you do that? Here I'm going to show you. Click on Applications. We are here at Web Application Analysis, and go to WP Scan. Click it. I'm clearing it. Man WP scan. There is no manual entry, it's okay. So let's clear it. And now WP scan -h. Yes. So you see there's so helpful entries are here in WP scan. WP scan is the WordPress security scanner by WP scan team, and their website is this, and the create that has been created by these guys, WP scan, that guys. Now you can see the help. Like if you want to update the WP, you can use the WP scan space dash update to update the database to the latest version. If you want to scan any WordPress URL, then you can also do with the WP scan, right? And there's so many bunches of commands available in WP scan. Like here you can see, to scan a website you can use this, or if you have a word list then you can this one. If you want to enumerate the usernames of WP WordPress websites, then you can use this one. So we will use it one by one, right? So first of all, there should be a WordPress website. So let's check out a WordPress website. I have a website, so let's check it. Here I'm opening my Mozilla Firefox in Kali Linux. Let's open a WordPress website. Travel Portland. This one, Travel Portland, is a WordPress website, and we're gonna use this website to find out the usernames of login panel. This website. Let's copy the URL, right, and minimize it, and type WP scan space dash URL, then paste your URL name, right, and then type dash enumerate dash u and dash u. That's how you do it. And just trying to, and this is the command which you can use to enumerate the usernames of this website. This website is a WordPress website, and we are finding the username of the login panel. So let's copy it and I'll show you clearly how you can use it. Copy, and first of all I'm clearing it so that you can watch it clearly. Yeah, let's paste here and enter. So WP scan has been started, and it has started the testing of the URL. Yeah, so they are finding first the header part, the link available regarding the website, and some other, the location. All absolutely, the location is also important for us. The author URI is this, Travel Portland, right? No plugins found. Now it is enumerating the users. This is important for us to find out the users available in the database of WordPress. Wow, as you can see that it has told us the username of the Travel Portland website. There are 5 names actually in the login, right? One is Travel Portland admin, second is Karen, third is Richard, fourth is Kate, fifth is John. So this is a really simple script to find out the username of that WordPress panel, right? So if you don't know how to use the WordPress WP login, then I should tell you /WP login. I'm sorry. So here we are finding the WordPress login page. So just type /-wp login.php. So this is the login, username and password panel of WordPress website. I'm not here to show you how to crack password, but I'm gonna tell you that how you can crack a password. So this is the username or email ID, right? So here we have found the 5 username, right? So you can use any one of them, and you can put here, right? Or you can do a brute force against them. So this will be put here, travelport/admin, right? I don't know the password of the panel, but we can create a dictionary regarding this, and we can create or attack on the particular website of WordPress. But it is very useful for us to find out the username of that WordPress website. That's how you can. This is also a vulnerability of WordPress to find out the usernames. So that's how you can find the usernames of the WordPress website. So now if you want to crack these passwords, so I'm going to tell you the method. I'm not here gonna give you the password. I'm gonna tell you the method, that how you can crack the password of the login panel. You know the username of the WordPress website. Now you should know the password of the login panel. So here, this is the command you can use to crack the password. So let's wp scan space dash URL. Now paste the URL area here. Not this one. You have to put the URL of WP login, right? The full www dot, or you have to type like this one, https://www dot travelportland.com, and their WP login link, WP login dot php question mark space the dash word list, right? /user/ share / word lists, then /docu. It is a default dictionary in your computer. docu.txt.gz space dash username that you have found here. You can use anyone. Like if I want to use the travel Portland admin, copy and space and paste here. Enter. It has started to find out. It is a version number, right? So I'm just going to tell you the type, how you can use these user and the hierarchy, the dictionary to find the password. It is now brute forcing some different type of passwords here. Right? So that's how you can do a brute forcing, create your own dictionary and try to crack the password. It depends on your luck. If you find, then it is good. If you cannot, then we cannot do nothing. This is called the brute forcing attack. on a WordPress website when you know that the username is available for you. So that's how you can. They are trying out thousands of passwords available in Rocky dictionary, and if they find out, they will tell you that yes, this is the password. Totally depend on your luck, but I think you have clear that how you can test a WordPress website by using WP scan available in your Kali Linux. There are so many tools available in Kali Linux, but you don't know about them, the magic of Kali Linux. So here you will also learn the magic of Kali Linux, how you can do this. So thank you so much, guys, and hope you are learning. And this is now it is also brute forcing the travel Portland admin page, right? So keep learning from our videos and give us good appreciation by give us some good stars and a good review on our course so that you can encourage us, right? I'm Control C and I'm just stop the attack. This is how you can scan a WordPress website. In this video, we will learn how you can use Kali Linux operating system's tool SQLMap to attack on a website, which is called tool-based testing. In previous video, we have learned manual testing. In this video, we will learn tool-based testing. So first of all, I have to start my Kali Linux operating system, and it is opening. And in this tutorial, we will learn how you can use some basic commands of SQLMap to attack on a website. If you haven't installed Kali Linux, then install it first so that you can learn Kali Linux. But if you have only Windows, then you can learn it and install it later. It depends on you actually. So the Kali has been opened and I'm inserting the username and passwords. In Kali Linux, there is a tool SQLMap which you can use to attack on web server or a web application. And you can see the beauty of Kali Linux after this practical. If you haven't practical on the Knoppix or OWASP, just download it and use it because these are really important for industry. So you should know how you can use these tools. So now Kali has been opened and we are using our Kali Linux operating system to attack on a particular website. First of all, I'm opening my Mozilla Firefox in Kali Linux operating system. Kali operating system has been opened. Now I'm opening google.com. Right. Now I have a different website which I mentioned earlier. Like if it is a website like Bible history. Click here. BibleHistory.com is the URL of the website. Yeah, here it is opening. Now copy the URL and open a new tab. Now type site colon web name space php question mark id equal to find the vulnerable id of that particular website. Yes, you can see id equal to 2, id equal to 22, id equal to 12 are here. Click on any link. I'm clicking on the first link. Here you can see that there is a page. So I need this id. In previous video we were just typing the commands in our URL, but now I'm using a tool, so I need this id, so I'm copying it. Okay, and I'm closing my Mozilla. Now I'm starting my terminal. And after that, if terminal is open, you have to type a command SQLMap. SQLMap is an inbuilt tool available in Kali Linux. SQLMap is available here. Now there is a command. First of all, if you are hacking a database, you have to find the database name. So there is a query like SQLMap space dash u. The web URL is here. Paste space dash dash dbs. Enter. SQLMap is running. It is checking the URL. It is saying it looks like the backend Debian is MySQL. Yes. Do you want to skip test payloads? Yes, I want to skip because they know that they are using MySQL. So I'm clicking on yes. For the remaining test, do you want to include all tests? Yes, I want to include all tests. Yes. I'm doing nothing. The tool is doing everything for me. That is called tool-based testing. Then time-based comparison is running, so I have to wait. Here we go. It is running. Now it is working on the get parameter ID. Here you can see it is working on get parameter ID. That's why it is taking some little bit time. Yeah. It is showing me some warning. Get parameter ID is vulnerable. Do you want to keep testing? No, I don't want to keep testing because you said that get parameter ID is vulnerable and I need only a vulnerable hole. So I got it. Do you want to keep? No, I don't want to keep. Here you can see the available database in the database of Bible history website. Now I'm taking a 1 out of 5. I'm taking Bible underscore history database and try to find the table inside it. So replace it with capital D. Database means database. Type Bible underscore history space dash dash dbs. Sorry, dash dash tables, because we have found a database. Now we have to find the tables related to each and every database. Right? Enter. Yeah. Here you can see in the table that these are the tables related to Now I want to find the emails in their website. So just click on upper arrow. Now I have to put T for table name, and the table name is emails. Now I'm finding the columns related to it. We have D means database, Bible history is the database name, test T means table name is email, and now I want to find the column names related to it. Enter. Click inside and enter. Here you can see the column names. They have 5 columns in emails table, and Bible history is your database, and email ID. Now I have to choose one, so I am taking email ID and I'm finding the data inside email ID. So just click on upper arrow, edit it. C means column names, and I have to put this email ID here, email underscore ID, and the final one is, you have to remember it, dash dash dump is used to dump it. Enter. And now you can see the email in that database, and this is a real website. This is not a sample website. These emails are real emails. You can see here, these are the email IDs. These are some real emails of users related to that website. As you can see, it is running and running and running. These are the emails which were stored in the database, and I have hacked in the database, and we have accessed the database and extracted the database of that users. That's how a hacker can hack a website and extracted the username, passwords, and emails related to the users. It is running and running and running. Yeah, that's it. So these are the emails related to the website. So that's how, this is the process of SQLMap tool in Kali Linux. That's how you can hack any website which is based on MySQL database. If you found any vulnerability using Knoppix in any website, just use any of these tools, like you can use manual testing, or you can use our SQLMap command to hack any website in the world, because 70% websites on PHP and MySQL. So that's why SQL injection is on the top of the table of attack. And you can see that table has been saved in a file, means these results are saved in this file, and it can saved here and as well as in your directory of Kali Linux. I hope you will practice it and will learn again and again, and if you practice it again and again, you will get expert in SQL injection, which is really good for you if you want to become a web security specialist like me. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.